What's going on, guys? I'm David Stiley, and this is how to perform reverse dumbbell flies.
First, set yourself up on a bench that is slightly lower than a 45-degree angle. Position your body so that your sternum is an inch or two above the top of the bench. Keep the balls of your feet in contact with the ground. As far as weight selection goes, it's always better to err on the side of lighter weights with this movement at first, in order to learn proper form. For example, while learning to execute this particular form of reverse flies, I just used 10-pound dumbbells for the first 2 or 3 weeks. It makes an immense difference and pays off in the long run. Now, grab the weight and position your upper back. Push your chest through. Pull the middle of your neck back towards the wall behind you. And rotate your shoulders down. While holding this position, initiate the reverse fly by drawing your arms up with the middle of your back. As you reach the halfway mark, keep your elbows drawn back and pull your shoulder blades together hard and drive your chest through into the bench until the movement is completed. From there, control the weight back down to the starting position and repeat the process. The finishing position for this exercise is crucial. You want full retraction of your scapula and maximal contraction of the musculature. So, as you finish the top of the fly, really focus on pulling your shoulder blades all the way together while keeping them down and pushing your chest through hard.